Sea life is open now at Legoland Florida. Come check it out with us. This new Sea Life Aquarium is only 45 minutes south of Orlando in Winter Haven, Florida, and it's a perfect addition to Legoland. My boys and I had the best time exploring the magical Stingray Bay and the cool underwater theme park. And the best part, it's only $15 to add to your Legoland ticket. We're going to give you a complete tour inside to show you what to expect with your kids and why this might be your new go-to spot to cool down at Legoland, Florida. Let's go take a look. So this is a nice thing to do, especially during the middle of the day at Legoland, because Legoland only opens from 10 to 6. So if you don't want to do the water park, this is nice to get out of the sun and be in the air conditioning for a little while. Ooh, big lobsters. Cool. You see a lobster in that box. Look at his pointy little, I don't know what those are. Feelers. Wow. So on the floor they have signs on the next station you're going to. This is the Seahorse Nursery. Wow, this is cool. I see two over here. They already look pregnant. Why do seahorses always look pregnant? They got big bellies. Yeah. Oh, look, he's grabbing onto the seagrass with his tail. You see their little fin in the back? Okay, you gonna touch one? Ooh. It's like sandpaper. You wanna touch him? Wow, what do you see? So there's giant green anemone, bat sea stars, purple sea star, purple orchid, and abalone. What is an abalone? A rocky coastal area. Abalones have tiny holes in their shells that look like ears. These holes are actually where they breathe and release waste. So here's a little tunnel the kids can go through. This one's pretty with the coral. There's clownfish. Wow. Like we're under the ocean. I don't know what the dory fish are called. We'll have to find out. I'm sure there's a bubble to press. I like how the coral is sparkly. That's coral that you're touching. Meet the cluster of coral. Fact, hey, we're not rocks, we're animals. This is really pretty. Ooh, look at these yellowfish over here. Did you see the yellowfish, Colton? Oh, I don't see the yellowfish on there. That guy looks really cool. Look at him. He's got horns. Whoa-wee. All right, the next one is the Stingray Bay. You see them in there. Oh, look at them on the ground over there. Swimming around, the stingrays. Looks like there's another tunnel over there. The stingray's coming. Here he comes. So this is the first day that Sea Life is open. It's their temporary opening. The soft opening. The sphere makes it look really big. Pretty cool. See all around. Pretty cool. This place is the Blackbeard Shipwreck. There's shipwreck coins down here.
It's called symbiosis. Keep watching and you'll see how the moray eel and the cleaner shrimp rely on each other for survival.
cannon. Okay, mommy's coming in.
Okay.
Oh, get in here. Oh,
Got it?
I'm inside. I'm inside. I'm a little claustrophobic. I love they have a big, huge anchor inside. Those pink fish are beautiful. Dusky squirrelfish, maybe. Or maybe coral grouper? I'm not quite sure. Oh no, black bar soldierfish. Soldierfish. Black bar soldierfish. Those are cool. Let's see, is there an octopus in here? That looks like a funny sea star. I don't see an octopus though. Maybe he's hiding. Whoa, look at that. It's sparkly. A shelly go round. And I see a roller coaster. Oh, you can pick a color. Pick a different color. Yellow, orange, red. Okay, let Colton do it first, and then you can do it. Green. All right, now you can do it. Do one at a time. Green, blue. It's like a black light lit, so everything's glowing in here. Oh, let's go in the cave. Ooh, so pretty. Theme park under the sea. Wow. Wow, big, spooky deep. Whoa, Gavin, what did you find? A coral kingdom. Yeah, it's a big roller coaster with seashells. So we spent a little over an hour in Sea Life Aquarium, and the boys loved seeing the gift shop too. And make sure when you visit the gift shop at the end, get your pop badges at the register. So we're going to check out a little bit more of here at Legoland, but if you'd like to see some more behind the scenes and tips on visiting Legoland with toddlers or young children, press that subscribe button and we'll see you guys later. Bye! Gavin wants to press the pedal now that he thinks he can crash into Colton. Typical brothers.